Hello everybody, my name is Brussel Saxby from Sax-Bee Auto Towing. I used to do a bunch of videos, but now I don't. I had some things come up that needed my attention, some family issues. Now that the things are taken care of, I can get back to doing these videos. And doing what I do best. So let's do it. So today I have to replace the filter on a dust mask. Or it's not a dust mask, it's a respirator. I don't know what, it's one of them dang things. You gotta use protection. Sorry. You gotta use protection when you're working around with chemicals and cars and things of that nature. So you have to be able to know how to change the filters on the mask deal. So this is the mask here. Tag on. So this is the mask here. This is a 3M mask. You know, and you don't put it on like this. You know, you obviously you want to have the straps all up on there, but I can't do that right now. I do not have the facilities to be able to put this on at this time. When you're someone like me who's got a big old bush, you know, it gets a little tricky, but it can be done. You know, with OSHA's watching this. I do my due diligence by putting this on. They have these warnings on here that help you figure out what you're supposed to do. So I'm hoping that these can help me today. Not that I've never done this before. Done it plenty of times. So this is the mask up close and personal. You know, if you was wearing it, I guess it'd be looking like something like this. I guess. I don't really know. But I do know. I wear it. These are the filters. These are the filters that we have to pull off. I think it would really be easier if I had both hands doing this, but I think what they do is they sort of twist off. I can do this. I've done this 1,000, 100, lots of times. You just pull it. If I need my other hand is the problem. If I could just put, I could stuff the camera up under my chin like this. Alright, it's just not going to happen that way, okay? Because I need both hands to do this. They make these daggone things so that you can't just have your one hand doing it. I mean, what if I was an amputee with one hand? What am I going to do then? Stick it in my crotch and twist it? So I got both hands now because I'm not an amputee. So, thankful Lord. So, you take this. Look how easy that was with two hands. So this is what the hole looks like. Got a neat little window. Keep the dust and the particulate out of the mask, out of your mouth. That's what it's daggone for. After all, it's a mask. It's a dustperator. Now, we have to fix it. Well, not fix it. We have to put a new filter cartridge on it, which I got over here. These guys. Right here. Same company, so bound to be a two-handed job. This is a brand new box of filters that I bought off of half.com because it was on sale for half. That's why it's called half. I got the one side off already. It's okay. It's fine. No problems here because I was going to take it out of the daggone box anyway, so it just did half the work for me. And one thing this daggone thing did right. So this is the alleged filter that I have to put on the stupid. So we're going to take this disc. I don't know why it looks so different. Look, what does that mean? I mean, it's got the cleats on it for hooking up, but I mean, it gives it. So we're going to take this here thing, stick it on. Alright, I guess it's on. Here's what I don't like about it, as I've recently mentioned. First off, it's pink. Secondly, it's different. Who's going to want to walk around with it up on here like this? You know, oh gosh, that smells bad. As far as I'm concerned, this is another disaster from a brand name company. So if I had just gone with Harbor Freight, like always, instead of trying something new. But anyway, there's your daggone video. I hope you're happy with it, because now you know how to change a filter cartridge on a dustperator. Big deal. Now you know. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. I don't care. Just don't get that brand. Cartridge. I mean, what if I was an amputee with one hand? What am I going to do then? Stick it in my crotch and twist it?